Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you all my Cowboy turkey pasta salad. You're going to use your leftover Thanksgiving turkey meat or any type of shredded chicken that you have left over. You can use it for this recipe. You want to start by seasoning that with celery salt. We're going to flavor the meat because inside of that meat doesn't have a lot of flavor. Add on some sriracha and some honey mustard. Add some smoked paprika to add a little bit of smokiness to this, or you could add sweet paprika if you like, and add some salt. And then we're going to go in with some shredded carrots, sweet peppers, green and red I'm using. In goes chopped celery, chopped cucumbers, and corn that you roast and you cut off of the cob, and then you're going to give this a good mix. You just want to mix this really well. You want all of those flavors to combine. The celery salt and all of those flavors, they're going to add so much flavor to the meat and to the veggies itself. And I cut my veggies not too small and not too chunky. So we're going to put our cooked pasta in a big bowl and add some more celery salt to season the pasta. Then we're going to go in with our mayo. Now if you wanted to use eggless mayo here, you can, or if you have a vegan mayo option, you can use that. Add in all of the things that we just mixed up with that turkey meat. And then give everything one final mix. But we're not done. We have one last ingredient to go in, which is my favorite ingredient, and I'll share it with you all. So you want to mix this really well until it's well incorporated. And if you have less mayo, of course, feel free to add more to your liking. Now we're going to add in the avocado. This creamy, delicious avocado. It's going to taste super amazing in this. So you want to gently mix that in. You don't want to break up the avocado too much. You still want to see pieces of avocado when you serve this. You want to taste and adjust your salt at this time. You could also adjust it with the celery salt. You could add more paprika, more sriracha, more honey mustard, whatever you like. And that's it. All you have to do is serve it right away, or you can refrigerate and serve cold. This is a great make ahead. I hope you all give this recipe a try this Thanksgiving with your leftover turkey, and comment down below and let me know what you think.